Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit videos like the one and only Mindstorm. Get ready to level up your video editing skills and unleash your creativity. First, you need to open ChatGPT. After that, generate a script related to your topic. Once your script is ready, you can choose to generate your own voice using a text-to-voice website called Prime Voice, the link to which you can find in the description. To use this website, paste your content and click on Generate. Once your voice is ready, you'll need another website, which is the most important one, called DID. You'll need to sign up on their website to get 20 free credits. This is where we'll convert our avatar into a video. To add your avatar, click on Add and choose your image. You'll have two options in the sidebar. You can generate a video using your script or upload your audio. Here, we'll upload our audio. Once your audio is ready, click on Generate Video and your credits will be shown. Then, click on Generate and your video will start generating. Once your video is ready, open it and download it. Now, it's time to edit it. To do so, go to CapCut and select your video and background. Once the background is removed, you can adjust it according to your preferences. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to edit videos like Mindstorm. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Happy editing and see you in the next video.